1, 2. To the early birds, thank you very much for making it on time. The African Festival this year, 2022, is a special one for us. It's the 10th year we've been hosting this event. So I would like to start by acknowledging the traditional owners of this land on which we live, work, and fellowship, the Bingo and Wuguru Kaba people. The official work opening ceremony will be done later on, and we will also do a proper welcome as well with one of the traditional owners at that point. But please bear with us a little bit. We are running a little bit behind schedule, so maybe in the next 15 minutes or so, we should be able to kick off the program. But thank you very much for making it. It's looking like it's going to be a wonderful day. The skies are clear. Every time we host this festival, it always rains. So this year, I think the gods have smiled on us. So thank you very much. It's promising to be a wonderful event, a wonderful day. And please enjoy some food, enjoy a fellowship together here. So 15 or so minutes, we should be good to kick off. Thank you.
Kondatiko zvino moeda ari kupika zvikanzi ichaenda imwe motikari yachauya neimwe motikari inini handingaporoka kubva apa saka wafamba netsoka
kuza ndakamirira mukomono yaenda nemapatapata angu ana apa nasodopfeka
ari kuda mapatapata bachi.
And while we are getting ourselves sorted, I've come across my good friend here, Darius. He's always bailing me out every time and doing a bit of feeling while the other guys are setting up. So, Darius, thank you very much and do your thing as usual.